top of your little thing here.
Put it in the little cup. We'll remember where they are.
Right here and here, right? That's where it shows on the little thing, or does it show?
On. Hey, get over here.
It's kind of weird drawing it like that. But.
Yeah, I know, but I guess, like, I think there might be a way to make it go more, but I'm not sure what.
You gotta put that motherboard in.
I know. So I had to, and then kind of push it in, but you don't want to scrape this up. Yeah, it'll be easier. There we go. And are you sure we leave those little metal guys in? We don't cut them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'll just edit the videos together. Oh, that's so cool. It shows me how much, if I'm taking a video, how much time I have on my SD card. It says 3 hours and 37 minutes with 82% battery. So we're doing good. And I know, that's what it's a little too well. Is that the last? Okay. Right. Well, all of it should be easy, but guess what? None of it is.
Yes, sir. What?
Does it come out? Oh, I see. Oh, that makes it about 10,000 times easier. Is this a PCI component, right? I love this commercial. Is it in there?
Yeah. You want my fancy red cord?
Yeah, sure. Hey, Poochie! Hey! Did you get it or no? Oh yeah, I have to do it. I forgot. this? Isn't that a Molex? Wait, I think it says that it has a Molex. Okay. This. Here, I'll get the flashlight. I'll get a flashlight, I should say. Where is my flashlight? Oh, shit. I have a lantern. That'll work.
Don't worry, I'm too pro.
What?
So don't worry, I'm too pro.
I'll grab it anyways. We'll probably need it again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on this side because it's better.
Oh, man. Tell me what, pizza is awesome. Oh, shit. You need Jesus.
Damn. Yes, sir. What?
Came up and we don't notice it.
Probably.
That's what happened when I was building Lenny's computer.
Money?
Helping Lenny build his computer.
Lenny who? Oh, your buddy? Lenny de God?
Yeah.
Is that his name? Okay, first startup. Let's really hope it works. I really hope it works.
Well, we know which power I did wrong.
What?
I said, well, we know which one pin I got wrong now.
The power LED? Is it on though at all? Should I turn it off? How do we even know if it's on or not?
Did you ever flip this switch on the power?
I'll try. Did you see it? What does that mean? Oh,
It means you pressed the restart button, probably.
why isn't this on yet?
That's not on.
Is it supposed to keep doing this? Is that normal? That doesn't look normal.
Probably stop that. It means this is.
Are you sure that's what it means, Aaron? It sounds like it's like booting and then cutting off. So Aaron's fixing it first.